Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and you're going to position one of the racks in the oven to its lowest position. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab some spray, or you can use butter, and you can kind of like grease the pan, but I like to use the butter nonstick spray for this. So this will yield about 12 rolls or popovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12. Right. So then you're going to put this to the side. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to grab a mixing bowl. So to this bowl, you're going to add 3 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 cups of milk. Now you're going to whisk that together. Now, I came across this recipe years ago. I mean, you're talking like, I don't even know, years ago, at least more than 10 years ago. And it has been a favorite. I make this every year for Thanksgiving. And they're so easy to make. I mean, you can even make them as a snack throughout the year, or you can even make them with dinner. So, we're going to whisk that. Make sure it's well combined. And now you're going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You're going to slowly add it in. It's kind of hard to do. I have a stand mixer, but I like to make things harder for myself, so I always do it like this. Get that combined. Like that. It's okay if there's little small lumps in there, just so long as they're not big. So around this time of year, I love to cook, like really cook. I like to bake. I like to bake pies. Well, cheesecakes is my main thing, and cookies. So this oven is constantly going around this time of year. You're going to mix that really good. I'm going to add the rest. Mix it. You're going to add that. That was 1 cup right there, so I still need to add the 1/2 cup. So here's the 1/2 cup. So we're going to add it just a little bit, oops, at a time. Just like that. Let me scrape it from the side. Kind of like making cake. But it's not. Looks like pancake mix. Okay. No. So this is what I like to do. I like to pour it into a measuring cup or something that has like a little spout, because trust me, it makes it so easier to move quickly and fill them up instead of doing it spoon by spoon. So just go ahead and fill them up. We'll do 3/4 fulls. Yeah, that'll work. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Don't mind my dirty oven. Okay, so you see that last one right there? You see how it's positioned on the last rack? And then you have this one that sits on top. That one is fine. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put these in to the bottom rack. And then you're gonna grab a cookie sheet and then you're just gonna put it on top like that. And that's it. Close it, and then that's it. You're gonna close it, set your timer to about 35 minutes. We'll do 35 minutes. 35 minutes. That's it. Don't open the oven, don't take a peek, and then I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, so here's my version of popovers. Look how great they are, and they are so delicious. Let me show you how they look. Okay. Let me show you how they look. They're nice and soft. Ooh. I've actually let them cool down for a little bit. Look at that. They're great. They're delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys give it a try. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.